In this video, we will demonstrate the proper steps and procedures to operate the ACW7 and the ACW7T. For shipping purposes, the mast extension will be mounted to the base of the machine with 2 hitch pins. At least 2. We used 3 guys to install the mast extension. Pull the 2 hitch pins out of the mast extension. Slide the mast out of the holding brackets. Be careful not to drop the mast on fingers or toes. Flip mast over and insert into tube. Pull round black safety knob down before mast can be fully inserted. This safety knob only needs to be pulled down when installing mast or taking it out to be stored. Here we are pinning the mast at its lowest setting of 17 feet on this model. Highest setting is 22 feet. Next, deploy the deflection winch strap by pulling out all the nylon strap from the winch spool. Be careful not to allow the handle to come into contact with your elbow. Attach hook to eye bracket. Raise the mast just enough for clearance to install the 2-man tie-off anchor head by selecting up on the hydraulic pump. Now remove 2-person anchor head from the storage position by removing the hitch pin. Install the 2-person head by sliding tube into the desired hole and install hitch pin. Next, attach your SRLs to your anchor bolts. Install your tag lines. Next, go to your inspection manual located on the right side of the weight rack. Here, you'll find the checklist of inspection procedures to be performed. Check your nylon strap for wear and tear. Check your anchor bolts to make sure nuts are tight and cotter pins are in place. Check for any hydraulic leaks. Check jacks to make sure C-rings are seated. Count counterweights, 24 on each side for a total of 48. If all checks out okay, sign off and date. If not, tag out equipment and advise supervision. You are now ready to move mobile anchor to your work site. Before the mast can be raised into position, pull out the hitch pin. Raise mast. Install hitch pin. Reel in your deflection strap. Only needs to be taut. Now position machine to desired spot, as close center as possible. Set brake. Pull out outriggers and pin. Raise jacks. Raise front jacks until you can spin wheels. Pull down on your tag lines and hook up. Pull down quickly a couple of times to test your retractables. Now that your project is finished, here are steps in taking the machine down. Take out hitch pin in mast. Let out slack in winch. Lower mast, leaving enough ground clearance to take off two-person anchor. Install hitch pin in mast. Remove SRLs from anchor points. Now return two-person anchor head to storage area. You can store SRLs on anchor bolts. Lower jacks and push in outriggers. Now put pins back in. Finish lowering mast. Then remove the strap. Reel in deflection strap. Take brake off and store machine. Our units are easily towed. Install pintle or ball hitch, both are provided. Raise jacks. You'll need a minimum of 4-inch clearance after mounted to a vehicle. Our hitches allow for adjustable heights to compensate for various vehicles. Make sure you attach provided safety chains before towing.